Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable message notification on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram setting. So we can tap on this profile option, and then tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen, and tap on the settings and privacy. And in the settings and privacy, you have to select the notification setting. Okay, and since we want to disable the message notification, we can tap on the messages option, and then here you can disable the message notification. And if you want to disable the message notification from individual and group chats, you can click on this option, tap on the off option. You can also disable the message reminders and group requests, and you can select the type of the message that you want to disable the notification. And I'm just going to disable my message reminders as well, and the group requests as well. And okay, now the notification has been disabled. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable message notification on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.